How to set print area in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Select the area you want to print. After you've selected area, go to Page Layout on top. In here, you'll find Print Area. Click on it and then click on Set Print Area. Then click on File located on top left. You will find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you'll find print. Click on print and the area you selected will pop up in here. From here, you can directly print only the selected area. This is how to set print area in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.